We start off our top 5 list in Laktashi. Blaž Mahkovic with a massive baseline dunk. At number 4, a monstrous dunk by Megas Rade Zagorac. Third place goes to Zadar's center Christian Krajina, breaking ankles and finishing with a dunk. An alley-oop from Krkas Rebec to Kari at number 2. Marcus Williams pulled off the top play of this round with this no-look pass to Owen Klassen.